this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Wi-Fi is connecting, but there's no internet on your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is just swipe down from the top right, and you can see I have airplane mode on right here, so I'm just going to disconnect that so it's not on. And then you can see Wi-Fi is on, so I should be good there. So if I go back, I got mobile data is not turned on because I don't have an SIM card in. So we can go to settings now. And the first thing to check is under general management, just way at the bottom here. So let's go to general management. And a lot of times this date and time setting for some reason is messing up people's phone. Maybe it's a software issue. Just disconnect automatic date and time and then enable if you don't have it enabled. That could be causing an issue with your settings here. So we can go to reset to, and we can go on down. And we want to try resetting the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings right here, and then reconnect to your internet. So you can reset everything right here, and then reconnect. Just make sure you remember your password. And then we got reset mobile network settings. We could try that too, but it doesn't seem like that's our Wi-Fi issue. If everything else doesn't work, come back to this section, go to reset all settings. This will reset your password and stuff though. But it shouldn't delete anything off your phone in terms of like your personal information, like your phone, your pictures and videos. So you can just reset all the settings if there's some weird thing that's just causing it that you can't find or determine yourself. But let's go up to connections right here and choose this. Go to our currently connected Wi-Fi. And then we can go to settings and just go to forget. And then re-enter it in. You can look at the password right here before you forget it so you can remember what it is. And just press the little I with the little cross on it and it'll reveal the password. And then you forget it and then just re-enter it under this list. Maybe that's the issue. Then we can go on down to where it says mobile hotspot and tethering and make sure this is turned off. More connection settings and make sure you don't have a VPN you're connected to or something like that, just in case that's causing the issue. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.